This question is in reference to two radioactive isotopes. You are given the rate constants for the two radioactive isotopes, and if you look carefully, you will notice that the rate constants have units of 1 over a time, 1 over years in one case and 1 over days in the other case. Because they have units of 1 over time, they are both first-order processes. All radioactive decays are first-order processes. Because they are first-order processes, then we can use the first-order half-life equation to solve for the half-life of each of them. For Americium-241, the half-life equation for first-order processes is natural log of 2 divided by k, which is provided at 1.6 times 10 to the negative 3.